Hello, and welcome to week 4 of LDR811, an in-depth exploration of organizational behavior. I'm Dr. Greg Parsons, and this is a short video that I put together to go over the assignments for week number 4. Now you'll realize we are approaching the midway point through the class, and basically half the work should be done by the end of this week. So pay attention to the video. It helps explain some of the things that might cause a little bit of confusion. I'm trying to head things off before they become an issue. Good luck with the class, and let me know if you have any questions. So here we can see the assignments for week number 4. We have a discussion post and we have a organizational approaches paper. What I'd like to do is look at the paper first, and this hopefully will avoid some of the confusion with the assignment. So we're going to go to the paper and what's required. And here you can see that you're going to be writing a 3 to 5 page critique paper about an organization's behavioral systems, including cultural and ethical foundations. Of course, it's going to be based on research, but you will be choosing the organization or company which you wish to write about. It can be one that you work for, it can be one that you're interested in. My suggestion is pick something that is going to be able to provide you the information that you're going to be able to use to write your paper. You're to discuss the cultural benefits or harms the organization causes, critique the ethical, diversity, and social responsibility status of the organization, and include information on how beliefs and values seem to affect behavior within the organization. Okay, so you have one paper to write, and you have a discussion post. So we're going to look at the discussion next. Now what I would like you to do in the discussion is to summarize the paper that you're writing or preparing to write. Talk about the organization you're going to choose, talk about the resources that you're going to use to supply information for your paper, and what you plan to accomplish in writing the paper. Again, this is going to be kind of a preview for actually doing the paper. You are not to write two separate papers. The assignment gets a little confusing. You're writing one paper, and I would like you to use the discussion post to describe what you are doing in the paper that you're writing. So the keys to success in this week's assignments are: be sure you're clear about what you're doing. Review the requirements for the paper that you're going to be writing, and make sure that the organization or company that you choose, that you'll be able to get the information that you need. So my suggestion is do a little preliminary research before you choose the organization you plan to write about. The assignment looks like it's requiring two papers. I want you to write only one single paper on one organization. Use the discussion post to talk about the paper that you're writing. By the time you turn in your initial post Wednesday, you probably won't have written the entire paper, but you should have some ideas about what you plan to write about, where you plan to find your sources of information, and the direction you plan to take your paper. That's what I want to see in the discussions posts. If this is confusing and you have any questions, use Ask Questions, or send me a text message, or send me an email. I'm more than happy to give you more information about this assignment. Good luck.